Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make the simple yet incredibly delicious chocolate chip mug cake. You likely have all the ingredients in your pantry already. When you get that late night craving or want a small batch dessert, this chocolate mug cake is for you. If you haven't made this yet, you are 100% missing out. Now let's get to the recipe. To begin the recipe, I'm using a microwavable safe mug. It's just a normal coffee mug. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour into it. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder into the mug. Along with that, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. A pinch of salt, which is around 1/8 teaspoon of salt. These are all the dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix everything with a fork to make sure they're all combined. Once all the dry ingredients are mixed up, we're going to add 1/4 cup of milk plus 1 tablespoon of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Those are all the ingredients. Now we're going to mix all the ingredients until they're combined and make sure that the batter has no clumps. Lastly, this is optional, but you can add hazelnut spread in the middle of the batter or 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Microwave this for 1 minute 10 seconds. Please note that all microwaves are different, so your time may vary slightly to mine. And your chocolate chip mug cake is ready in under 5 minutes. Look at how insanely simple it is, and it's so delicious.